The first apartment I'm looking at, it's 1 million won down, which is $650 down, and 370,000 won per month, which is about $200. Gonna start with the bathroom. First of all, it's a very typical Korean bathroom, tiled everything. The shower is hooked up to the sink itself. The toilet seat seems to be broken. And keeping in mind, like $200 a month, you're getting what you pay for, of course. I'm gonna go into this room. You do get a full-size bed, which is different and nice. Air conditioning. Fairly large TV. Full closet type setup. Washing machine, gas stove, sink, a window that looks out toward the street. Place to dry your clothes. There's like a drying room, a refrigerator. Once again, here's the room. This next one here is 1 million won down and 270,000 won per month, so $650 down, and about $140, $150 per month. Extremely affordable. Smaller bathroom than the last one. One big downside I can see right off the bat is there's no bed. Doesn't really matter though, as this is really just an address for us during immigration between contracts, so we don't really care. Pretty incredible view. It smells like sewage outside. Good thing I'm not living in this one. But yeah, the view's actually quite amazing. Kitchen setup, very similar. There's a view out this window. Oh, that didn't really do well. Let's go back. Oh, across the way looks pretty cool. Okay. There you go. Once again, 1 million won down and 270,000 won per. The outside of these villas look like. This particular one is 5 stories tall. The one I just looked at is on the 3rd story, which I don't know if this is in the right order, but there you go. This one here is 500,000 won down and 500,000 per month. It's a loft studio. Very nice. Washing machine, huge fridge, nice freezer. This is an officetel versus a apartment. Storage underneath there. As you can see, shower, very nice. Bedroom is upstairs. I'll show this real quickly. This is a loft. These are pretty cool. So you can see what the loft bedroom looks like. Lots of storage up top as well. Definitely the nicest of the ones I've seen. So I just looked at this place. This is the officetel. Definitely the nicest. It's a loft style apartment. A little bit more per month, 500,000 won per month. Deposit's less though, only 500,000 for the deposit. So a total of 1.5 million won for the 2 months, although 500,000 would theoretically be coming back to me. Very nice place. This one here is 1 million won deposit, 400,000 won per month, and it sounds like a cleaning fee of 100,000 won. The hallway smells very badly of cigarette smoke, but the apartment does not. It's very similar to some of the other ones we've seen. Here says iPark on it, but I don't think it's the same iPark as the expensive apartments. Okay, this was the same price, 400,000 won per month with a 1 million won deposit. Advantage on this one is it does have an elevator and it doesn't smell like smoke. That was my fault. No bed in this one, although the last one really you would have called bed anyway. Kitchen and laundry room, so very same setup. Oh my gosh, that door, good to know. Great view, I guess, in comparison to the last couple places I've seen. So there you go. 1 million won down, 400,000 per month. So this one here is $1 million won deposit and 350,000 won. That's $650 per the deposit, and of course pretty standard bathroom, and about $200 per month. There's definitely an old building smell in this one. I don't know how to describe it, maybe mold or dirt and mold type of a smell. This one's a little bit bigger. It's on the first floor, kind of half basement. It's 1 million won deposit, which is $650 or so, and 450,000 won per month, which is about $250 or so. It does have a very musky smell to it. That old building smell, similar to the last one. It's an outdoor area for washing clothes, which is a little different. Maybe a little easier to dry them. Yeah, 1 million at 450 per month. The same building as the last one. 1 million won, 450,000 per month. Similar, it's a little bit smaller. I doubt it comes with a computer. Comes with a bed frame and a closet though, from what I can tell, which is pretty cool. This area here, of course, for laundry, kitchen, all in one. I think I showed the bathroom already, but it's a very typical bathroom. So 1 million won down and 451 per. A little different. This one's a 2-room. They call it a 2-room here in Korea. Here's the bathroom. Very typical. It is 1 million won deposit, and I'll show you the second room. And 500,000 won per month. So 630 bucks as a deposit, and about 300 bucks or so per month. Very affordable. It's right on the main street, and these are single pane windows, so I imagine there's a lot of road noise that comes through. They have blackout blinds, fridge. This thing looks pretty ancient. So yeah, there you go. There's 2 places in this unit. This one right here is the first one. Nice bed, TV, closet. This is a 1-room. So everything is in the same room or in the bathroom. So as you can see, your washing machine is in the bathroom. I have no idea what's behind this door. Let's just say that one probably stays shut. Here's our outside. I don't know the price of this one. I think it's 1 million won and 400,000 won per month. So kind of on par with the others. Second unit in this place, very similar to the other one. Nice little entryway, cleaner than the rest for sure. That we've seen 1 million won down, 400,000 won per month. This is what's called a 1-room, meaning everything is in one room where you live, where you cook, everything. It's a very traditional studio style apartment. 400,000 won per. Here's also 1 million deposit, 450,000 won per month. It's a bit much cleaner than the other ones. You can tell it is a bit newer. Still an old building. Still has the old building type stuff. 450,000 won per month. So I'd like new fridge, newer washing machine. That's about $250 USD per month, about $630 as a deposit. So overall, still very, very affordable. But there you go. 1,000,000 won down and 500,000 won per month. This is a larger one room. Still a one room, much bigger. Kind of give you the big roundabout here. And it's 500,000 won per month. That's just about $300 per month. 650,000 won would be the deposit. Not too bad. Feels much cleaner than the other places we've seen. There you go.